Welcome to Medico Swami. Subscribe now and stay up to date on all things related to medical science. Get exclusive tips and insights that can help you up your medical game. Don't miss out on the latest updates. We make medical course easy for you and provide you update for MPMSU University. Hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for your support.
सो वेलकम टू योर ओन चैनल मेडिको स्वामी। हम लेकर के आए हैं आपके लिए एमपीएमएसयू की आज की ताज़ी अपडेट। तो क्या है अपडेट, देखते हैं। रिवाइज नोटिफिकेशन मध्य प्रदेश मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश हियर इशू द रिवाइज नोटिफिकेशन फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर कॉलेज एफिलिएशन फॉर द एकेडमिक सेशन 2024 and 25 as per the schedule given below. Due to technical issue, the college who not filled before 30 November, relaxation in the late fees is given till 15th of December for them. Okay, a faculty medical course MBBS, a PG degree diploma, super specialty DM MCH, a faculty dental course BDS, a PG degree diploma, a faculty Ayurveda BAMS, a PG degree, faculty homeopathy a BHMS and PG degree, a faculty Unani BUMS degree, a PG degree, a Siddha BSMS and a PG degree, a Yoga and Naturopathy BNYS and a PG degree, RCI courses BSPL, PGDRP and all, nursing, BSc nursing, post BSc and MSc, paramedical are all approved degree, diploma, PG courses of MP Paramedical Council Bhopal. Date of submission of online affiliation and fee schedule up to 1/12/2023 to 15/12/2023. No late fees. 16/2023 to 31/2023 have 25% of total late. Please fill the form as per the timeline with 18% GST as per government rule. Date will not be extended here. Colleges of nursing and paramedical faculty recognized by the Apex Council as new colleges of the academic session 2021 and 2022-23 can apply for renewal colleges for the session 2024-25. If university reject the affiliation or the session 2022 and 2023, sure the college will be treated as a new in 2024-25 and affiliation fee wise be applicable as new category. Apex Council permission letter for the session 2024-25 is not compulsory at the time of form submission, but all the colleges will have to compulsorily submit the certificate of recognition of Apex Council to the university by 15/3/2024. In case of non-recognition of Apex Council, the affiliation application will be cancelled and the university will take future action as per the Act State Rule of MPMSU Jabalpur. All colleges are requested that before proceeding for online application for continuation of affiliation, please go through the user manual. Colleges can find user manual at the link user manual for affiliation under the header institution affiliation. For more information, click on F and Q. To apply for affiliation, visit at mpmsu.mponline.government.in and then click apply, then check affiliation institution. It is mandatory to fill application for the complete online payment. Incomplete form fee, particular fee will not be entertained. All colleges are requested to make their payment within given timeline. For payment, MP Online has provided various fee, NEFT, RTGS and card payments. The colleges are directed to admit students only after getting affiliated. For any query or clarification, please send mail affiliation mpmsu@mp.gov.in or call on MPMSU customer care number. All colleges are instructed to select the proper type of affiliation link, new college, new course, increase in seat, constitution of affiliation. If college feels wrong type of affiliation, form will not be proceed and concerned college shall be responsible for that. No application shall be entered on any ground after the cut-off date. Hence, all colleges must do their requested process as soon as possible to avoid the late, minute hurdles and glitches. In situation of pendency of any case in the Honorable Court, the order issued by the Honorable Court for the time to time will be applied by them. तो ये था आपके कुल मिला करके आपके कॉलेजेस को मान्यता देने के लिए जो फॉर्म भरना है वो आपको 15 दिसंबर के पहले पहले भर लेना है। अगर आपका 2023 या फिर 2024 में एफिलिएशन रिजेक्ट हुआ है तो आप 24-25 के लिए न्यू हैं, आपको 15 के पहले अप्लाई करना है। एफिलिएशन के पहले कोई भी स्टूडेंट को एडमिट अपने कॉलेज में नहीं करेगा, एडमिशन नहीं देगा। अगर आप देते हो तो वो आप गलत कर रहे हो। आपको पेमेंट जो टाइमलाइन दिया गया है उसी के अंदर करना है, RTGS और NEFT करना है। अगर कोई फर्दर इशू है तो affiliation mpmsu@mp government.in पर जाकर के आप मेल करें या फिर कॉल करें इस नंबर पर 07556720200। अगर आपने रॉन्ग फॉर्म भर दिया है, रॉन्ग कैटेगरी में भर दिया है, सीटेज अगर गलत डाल दी है तो इसके जवाबदार आप खुद होंगे। तो ये सारी जो फॉर्मेलिटी है जिससे आपके कॉलेजेस को मान्यता मिलती है उसके लिए आपको 15 दिसंबर 2023 के पहले पहले एफिलिएशन फॉर्म भरना है। और ये ऑलमोस्ट उन्होंने सारे मेडिकल कोर्सेज इसमें इंक्लूड कर दिए हैं, चाहे वो डिप्लोमा हो, चाहे वो बैचलर हो या मास्टर हो। थैंक यू सो मच एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर द मोर।